Probably watch Kevin.
Don't show Kevin.
If you spew, you're cleaning it up.
No laughing, that was part of the agreement.
Alright.
I wasn't here when that deal was made.
Dude, you got 8.5 minutes. It'll be fine. Keep going.
Last one says that already.
Go get the milk so we can refill it.
No refills. Lots of people drink Oreos with water.
That looks so fucking unpleasant. You gotta refill it.
Where is it?
Milk.
Alright.
Pussy.
You're doing good.
7 minutes. He's doing great.
Wow, you might have even been able to make 5. Actually, no.
No, there's no way he would have been able to make 5.
I was too generous.
Got 13 seconds.
Are you just swallowing it down without chewing? I think that's going to be a lot more painful than losing $50.
He's doing great.
I just pissed myself now.
Yeah, but you see, these last couple cookies are going to be the hardest motherfuckers to eat ever. Why don't you just agree to do a whole bottle of Jaeger?
You know, I just cleaned this table today. You got a little Oreo goatee going on right here. Take that out. Zoom in.
Oh, I should have done this one. I'm not fucking full.
You're not fucking... Five and a half minutes. $50. You're an asshole. If you're gonna spew, spew into the sink.
No, this is not good.
you've got 4.5 minutes left. You're on fucking easy street. You just gotta finish those. Well, you did about all those in the first minute. Now you just gotta. Keep in mind, Kevin, you are eating an entire package of Oreos. Unless you puke, then you're off.
That's what was wrong. Yeah, I spoke to airport. Even if you win the election, Roman. Even if you win the election, huh?
What won the election?
Who do you think is going to win the election?
The election?
Ron
Paul.
I think Huckabee is a definite shoo-in.
That's nice.
I don't like these
Because you don't have to shove them in your mouth anymore. Look at that. 2.5 minutes. And he's got only 3 cookies left. I think he's gonna win this bet.
Should have done $50 if you did under 10 minutes and then an additional $10 for every minute.
That would have been a good idea.
Next time.
There won't be no
Next time we'll use no
I'm going
wafers.
blind of mistakes. Sorry about the mess.
No, that's okay. Eat your last fucking Oreo.
I have to piss myself. That was disgusting. That last Oreo, it tastes like $50.
Bravo.
Woo! Yeah! And with a minute left to spare.
Yeah, that's how much.
Stop.
I don't know.